Hello Fahad, good morning. This is a very foggy morning in DI Khan today, and you can see the intensity of fog today in Dera. It is almost 11:30, I think 11:30 a.m. and this is the fog, and here I am. Okay, let's this is our 2D, the marvelous car that has done a lot of adventure. It is locked. Let's open it. Here it is. And this is a very fine car. Well, let me show you how it starts in extreme cold. Yes. Here is the ignition and the first heater. You can see the instrument panel of our beloved 2D. The second heater. Let's give it an ignition after fourth heater. Have you checked it? Have you checked it? How it has started? Oh, no, sorry, it was 10:37 a.m. The stability of the engine and what I say. Is it enough? And people are coming to sit in the car. People are coming to sit in the car, but I will not allow them to sit. Thank you. Bye. Bye bye.